Ask any so-called scholar, now what is the aim of life? He cannot. The aim of life is the same, like the dog. Eat, drink, be merry and enjoy and die. So why is education? There is no education. Education is different. That one must know his own position and act accordingly. That you can get from Vedic knowledge. Tadvijnanartham ca gurumeva hariyatse tatvani sūtram brahmanishtam. Brahmanist. One has no sense. Understand Krishna consciousness or God consciousness. He is no better than the dog and cat. No credit. According to Vedic civilization, anyone is thinking of this body and doing accordingly for the bodily pleasure is working so hard. That is not knowledge. One should be given knowledge. Unless one comes to the knowledge, so modern education, there is no real knowledge. Knowledge begins in the Bhagavad Gita. The first understanding Arjuna was given lesson when he was perplexed and he became a disciple of Krishna. Shishastri ham prasadimang prapanna. Krishna, let us stop this friendly talking. Now I agree to become your disciple. Now you teach me. So the first teaching was chastisement. Asacchānana sūtastam pragyāvāda. You have no knowledge. Gatāsam avatāsam sanāna sūjati pandita. You are talking like a pandit, but you are not pandit. He immediately says you are a fool. Because Nāna Sūjati, this kind of thinking is not maintained by learned scholars. That means you are not a learned man. And that is going on at the present moment. Everyone is thinking that he is very highly elevated learner, but he is fool number one. That is going on. Because there is no standard knowledge. Sanātana Gosvāmī also, when he approached Caitanya Mahāprabhu, he also said the same thing. He was Prime Minister, he was very learned scholar in Sanskrit and Urdu. But he thought it wise that they call me learned scholar, but what kind of scholar? He put this question before Caitanya. গ্রাম্য ব্যবহারে কহে পণ্ডিত সত্য করি মানে আপনার হিতাহিত কিছু নাহি জানি. My dear Lord, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, this common man, they say that I am a PhD, BSc and so on and so on. I am very learned scholar, but I am so big scholar that I do not know what I am and what is my aim of life, what is the actual position. That is the beginning of Vedānta Sutra, that you inquire about Brahma, the Absolute, Athāta Brahma. This you inform on that. Don't spoil it like cats and dogs, eating, sitting, dancing. No. So, the same dancing, same eating can be utilized when it is in Krishna form. Then he will be simply by dancing and chanting and taking Purana, he will be larger scholar. Thank you.